I am Gargi Rani, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to explain to present a presentation on a topics like fashion and hobbies and passion. That's why I choose the topic cricket. As we know, cricket is very knowingly in the past few years, and in the past 2 years, it introduced globally as it included in Olympics and all. And why just I choose this topic? Because it's my hobby. That's why I choose this topic. As you can see on the screen, the introduction to the cricket, that is the first slide I will explain. Cricket, as we know, cricket is a bat and ball game. One team will be playing for bat, and one team will be play for the ball, and each team 11 players will be included. And as we know that cricket is a very most popular game in all over the world, and the fan base and all the things and the IPL is also increasing because the it's happens every year. That's make the fan base, that's why it's globally and popular sports. And it's played the World Cup in a T20 and one day cricket, that is the 50 overs game, and T20 is a 20 overs game. Then go to the next slide. It will explain the basic game, that is scoring runs, dismissing batsman, key roles, and inning structure. As we know, if the batsman try to score to hitting the ball, it's between the wicket. That's we can go to the criteria of scoring runs. That dismissing batsman, the bowlers attempt to dismiss a batsman that ends to their turn. That is a dismissing batsman. The key roles, as we know, the players can be batsmen, bowlers, wicket keepers, and fielders in the cricket. And then inning structure, each team bats with a set of number of overs, sequence of six balls, means in a every over there is a six balls a batsman should have to play. That's the criteria of the cricket. Going to the next one, that is a key performance matrix batting. As we just going to the structure of the batting criteria of the cricket, that is include the run scored, batting average, strike rate, and centuries and half centuries. Just go to the first one, that is a run score. The total number of runs accumulated by the batsman. The batsman scored the run, that we can say it can be a run scored. The second is batting average, the calculated total number divided by the number of dismissal. This shows a consistent performance in the every over the batsman will be played, that can be calculated as a consistent performance. The second is strike rate, runs scored per by 100 ball phase indicating can be scoring to the speed, that is a strike rate. The second is centuries and half centuries. If the batsman score 100, that is a century, and if the batsman score 50, it's a half century. This is the matrix of the batting. Then we go to the second, as we in last side we can see the batting criteria. In this slide we will going to the bowling as like a batting. The some key points of the bowling is wickets taken, bowling average, economy rate, and strike rate. As a wickets taken, the total number of batsmen dismissed by the bowler, that is a wicket taken. The second one is bowling average, represent a run considered per wicket taken. Lower is better. It's like a lower is better is included a bowling average. An economy rate measures runs considered per the ball. This indicates the control, that can be included in a economy rate. And the strike rate, balls ball by the per wicket taken. This shows quickly a bowler takes wicket. For example, James Addison has a test bowling average of 26.52 and a strike rate of 56.9. This is the criteria of bowling. As we go to additional matrix and fielding, the fielding percentage, successfully chances of divided by total chances multiplied by 100. The second is catch efficiency, the ratio of catches taken to the each opportunity offer, and run out involvement, all around performance. If the all around performance is the team who just put the efforts to make the team win, that can be included all around performance. Run out involvement means if the two batsmen playing and if it's one batsman out while running into wicket, that can be included in run out involvement. As we know, it's just we going to be the things that data analytics, how data analytics impacting in a cricket. As we know, in cricket it's providing insights into the player's strategies decision, improving player training fitness, and that can also impact, but the data driven approach to allows the more informed choices regarding like player selection, batting order, bowling strategies, fielding placements, leading to the better team performance and maximizing winning the chances. All these things impact with the help of the data analytics in cricket. As we shown in this slide, first is historical data, that is the analyze past performance of bowler against batsman. It can be helpful for player to analyze the how the bowler or batsman can he played in last matches. Machine learning use algorithms to identify patterns and predicts outcomes. And the second is identifying a weakness also. It can be used with the help of data. This much of impact of data analytics is used in a cricket, and in this its data analytics is used. The strategy decisions, improve team selection and optimize field placements. All this criterias of the data analytics. Moving to the next slide, that is as the same, it's a predictive modeling. It's can data analytics use as a weather condition, pitch condition, team form and regression analysis. As we know before the match, we just know the weather condition, if it's bad condition, if the raining is coming. With the help of the prediction, or with the help of the data analytics, we can predict that key today's climate is good or not for the match. And pitch condition also, as we can know for the spinners and the green pitches assistant for the fast bowlers, we can use as analytics technique to how the pitch is also. And the team form, recent and losses influence team confidence and movements. And regression analyst statistical tools forecast can be used for the regression analyst to analyze. That's much of the impact as data analytics are giving in a real worlds as it can be helping the sports also. And just like a sports, it's including cricket, and cricket is using all this. Moving to the next one, that is I concluded here, and that's the points are growing field data driven decision future evolutions we can see. As we know, the data analytics are using, such as we can, for example, we can take examining a matchups between the bowlers and batsmen. We can use a data analytics and use a supervised unsupervised algorithm to identify the performance patterns, enhance decision making in a team selection on and off the field. That can also used in a help to data analytics. As a growing field, cricket analytics is expanding and vital domain, because with the help of data analytics we can analyze the future prediction. We can analyze what's the batsman and bowlers has done in a past, where the selection also we can use in a past. The player is how he score, how his ball, how his networks. With analyzing of data analytics, we can select the players with the help of data analytics. We can select the players from their past records. That's the thing, it's the impact of data analytics. And that's the thank you for this opportunity. And here I include my presentation on the topic of cricket.